My pantry is getting empty. I need to restock that and my refrigerator, and I'm gonna show you a 2-week grocery haul. Oh man, have I got some good meals coming out, but I will share what they are, and then you have to wait because the videos will be coming in the near future over the next couple of months. So the first week of meals. The first week we are going to have Mediterranean zucchini boats, cranberry chicken slaw, chicken and apple stuffing, garlic chicken pizza, chicken noodle soup, and mini meatloafs. I am starting a little backwards. I'm gonna share with you our Sam's Club grocery haul first, and the things that we can't find at Walmart, we ended up picking up at United. So this little bit is from United. Needed some apples, and these are Fuji apples. Been searching for the Clean and Clear for acne, and Walmart hasn't been carrying it. Some sesame ginger dressing, fat-free, and then we have 3 cans of water chestnuts. For whatever reason, Walmart's not carrying those either. Jason loves this dressing. It's a Dorothy Lynch home sale dressing. Now Sam's Club, we ended up getting some paper towels, some toilet paper, napkins, my Hint water, and 2 rotisserie chickens, along with some Marie Callender chicken pot pies. These make really good lunches for Jason when he goes to work. So I have this bin. I like to keep apples in here, and I put it on this shelf of my refrigerator. Jason put all the Hint water away, and then the rotisserie chickens are in here until I'm ready to use them. And then bottled water is right here. Easy to grab when we're heading out the door. Also in the garage, Jason put the napkins here and paper plates here. Only half of them because the other half is in the pantry in the house. We moved a Kleenex in here in the laundry room from the garage. And this is where we store our toilet paper. It all fits up here really nicely. Later that night, we had a grocery order pickup at Walmart. This is what we got. At Walmart this week, we needed milk. I have 4 zucchini, a tomato, an onion, basil, about 4 bananas, I believe. Yep, 4. Baby carrots, 2 bags of broccoli slaw, fresh spinach, some garlic breadsticks, cranberries, ricotta cheese, feta cheese, fat-free mozzarella, pita breads. These are so good. If you haven't tried them, you really should. They are really good, and they're only 1 point per pita bread. Needed some tea. We are actually completely out of tea. Oh, it's a bad thing. Bag of green beans, Nutter Butters, sliced black olives, some classic chicken gravy, crushed red pepper, peanut butter. Timothy likes this shampoo. It is the Head & Shoulders Dry Scalp, and it is infused with almond oil. Gardettos, bag of potatoes. Oh my goodness, this bag is tiny. Look, this is my hand, and this is the bag. I thought it was bigger than this. I need more of these. So we have some egg noodles that would make what, like 1 bowl of soup? Just kidding, maybe 2. Non-stick aluminum foil. And then they only had 1 of the bold and smooth Stout coffees, and they substituted the extra bold because I had ordered 2 of them. And then 2 small orange juices, and I went ahead and got 2 pumpkin pies. One of them will be for Thanksgiving, the other one will be whenever anybody wants another pumpkin pie. In the bottom drawer of the refrigerator, I put all the fresh stuff and the baked spinach and broccoli slaw. I leave my bananas out on my cupboard so I remember to eat them, and they don't go bad as often. In the freezer in the garage, we have our pies waiting for us to enjoy, and then this is the pot pies that were from Sam's Club. The big old bag of green beans, the little tiny bag of egg noodles, and then the breadsticks, those are in the door. Now I'm going to share our second week of meals, and again, these meals are going to be in an upcoming video in December. Hit the notification button, that way you'll know when the videos come out. And you don't want to miss these, seriously, they're going to be crock pot meals. This week we are having hoisin chicken, spinach artichoke chicken, slow cooker bourbon street chicken, applesauce chicken, and 3 ingredient pork chops. Looks pretty yummy, huh? I'm looking forward to it. I had 2 substitutions come through on my Walmart order this week. One of them, you are not gonna believe this. This one me and Jason keep laughing about. I had put in an order for green onions, and they wanted to substitute the green onions for celery. I'm like, Jay's like, how do you, green onions, celery, you know? So I said no. And then the other one was I ordered chicken sausage patties. They wanted to substitute the links, but I had already put in an order for the links. So I was like, no, I won't get the patties, but I'll get the one thing of links. So I canceled that one out too. So I'm glad there was only 2 things, but I do need to get green onion. All right, we're going backwards this time. We are gonna start from this end and going this way. Usually we start this end and go this way. We're just mixing it up. We got some baby carrots. I have my 45 calorie bread, and then my guys needed some Wonder Bread. Needed a pack of ranch seasoning. Cooper's got his little nose going right here. I needed some decorating gel. And then, by the way, there will be a video where I'm using this at the end of this month. Oh, you definitely don't want to miss it. It's a good one. Hello. He's sniffing the eggs. I have a carton of egg beaters, some artichoke hearts, a couple cans of chicken broth, and savory beef gravy. Needed some more honey, Kodiak pancake mix. Timothy wanted macaroni and cheese. We got a box of that. I'm out of stovetop stuffing, so I got a savory herb and a traditional sage. A couple bags of frozen corn, a bag of spinach, some small tomatoes. This is squished, poor thing. Had a rough little delivery there. A few bananas, shredded Parmesan cheese, some turkey smoked sausage. I actually got 2 packs of these. These are gonna go in the freezer for a future meal. Turkey bacon, turkey sausage, peanuts, 6 hard-boiled eggs, de-shelled. Love these things. Cooper needed some cookies and a couple little treats. He gets bacon strips and then the carryouts. We needed onion, ginger, and this is like the only kind of lesser fat light cream cheese, so I got a little tub of that. Eggs, I found it. I am always on the hunt for these. It's the no sugar added Granny Smith applesauce. Love this, and they don't always carry that. Shame on Walmart. Some blueberries, and then for the house I needed some Pepto-Bismol. For the Pepto-Bismol brand, 1 bottle was like almost $8. For 2 bottles it was less than $5 for the off-brand, for the Equate brand. I couldn't believe the difference. Sinus medicine, Q-tips, and I think that's it. It is Saturday, and we of course needed a little bit of things from Sam's Club, and then the stuff we couldn't find at Walmart. So we also went to United because Walmart doesn't always have everything. So I have a little bits from 3 different stores that Jason went and got for me this morning. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Let me show you what we got. From United, we have green onions, a bag of salad. I'm almost out of my fat-free Italian dressing. Can't have that. And then Jason's almost out of his croutons. From Walmart, we got some strawberries and some dinosaur chicken nuggets. Sometimes we like to give these to Cooper when we're in a crunch. And then at Sam's, we got a pork loin. We usually will cut this into thirds. A rotisserie chicken and 1 pack of chicken. We got all the meat split up. We have a portion of the pork loin in the freezer. Then in the refrigerator, we have chicken and pork, all waiting to be made into delicious meals this week. Make sure you are watching for the upcoming videos to all of these delicious meals. Oh, and don't stop watching now. I have a couple more videos that you can watch right after this one. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you soon.